Hi guys, it's Lauren again. Welcome to webisode number 4 of 10 on how to build a computer. Today we follow up on the previous videos by showing you how to install a graphics card. Okay, this one is for all you gamers out there looking to frag some noobs without missing a beat. Most motherboards come with very basic integrated graphics cards. To get the most out of your computer, we recommend you install a separate graphics card. This not only improves the graphics capability of your computer, it also frees up the CPU by processing all graphics work on the computer. There are two types of graphics cards, the older and seldom used AGP and the newer and most common PCI Express. These cards are manufactured by two main companies, NVIDIA and ATI. Today we will be installing an NVIDIA 460 GTX. Find the PCI Express slot on the motherboard. It varies in color and is longer than all the other slots. Break out the back blinds and gently insert the graphics card, with the connectors facing towards the back of the case. Push down until the card locks into place and screw in the back plate to the chassis. Since this card is a higher end card, it requires additional power. Your graphics card is now installed. Happy gaming! Since this card is a higher end card, it requires additional power. We will cover the installation of a power supply in a later video. In our next installment, we'll be installing the hard drive. Be sure to check it out and rate this video on YouTube and share it on Facebook. Cheers, see you next time.